This is going to be question number one for you. This diagram is trying to represent a three-dimensional diagram. With this green triangle here laying on the floor. So I can see that this angle of the triangle is 52 degrees. This one's 46 degrees. And then because they all have to add up to 180, I could do 180 minus 52 minus 46 to get that's going to be 82. That gives me this measure over here in the corner. And the idea here then is that I can take this angle, which is opposite this side, and I can set it up using the law of sines. So I would have sine of the angle, because I only use sine of angles like this one, over the side over here, which is 62. And that's going to be equal to the sine of 46 over this side over here, which I'm just going to call A. Now the reason I'm looking for this side in particular is because I have another triangle that I'm going to be dealing with here. That's a right triangle. And that's ultimately, that's the one where I want to find x. And so if x is the opposite side and a is the adjacent side, then our trig function that relates opposite and adjacent is tangent, right? So I can say that the tangent of the angle, because we always do trig functions with angles, the tangent of 28 degrees is going to be equal to this opposite side, x, divided by this adjacent side right here, a. So if I can find a here, then I can use it here to ultimately figure out what x is. If I get a by itself here, the first thing I'm going to do is cross multiply. So I get a times the sine of 82 is equal to 62 times the sine of 46. And so a is going to be equal to 62 sine 46 divided by the sine of 82. And now I'm going to put that into my calculator. So I want to check the mode and just make sure it's in degree, and it is. So I'm good to go. So I'll quit out of there, and I need to look back real quick. So I've got 62 sine 46 divided by sine 82. So that's going to be 62 sine 46. And I want to divide that by the sine of 82. And I get 45.037. So back in my drawing, that's going to give me this length here, right? It's the 45.037. And so if I use that now with this information, so I've got this idea, I multiply both sides by a, I've got 45.037 times the tangent of 28 to figure out what x is. So if I put that in the calculator now, so I'm just going to take my last answer, I'll just put times the tangent of 28. I get 23.946, and we're just going to round that to 23.9. So my x value is 23.9.